different horizons, words left unsaid. But I saw the glances full of love and dread.
So you don't have to miss
Caught the moment,
on this Sunday race day with
understanding
Beckham, one of many celebrities here in Miami.
when he finally saw the world from your view. Do you miss the young dreamer in the car? That spark of excitement